How to get your ex to chase you. Very simple. Increase your value. Come and take a walk with me through this video and let's discuss the 5 best ways to increase your value. Before we get into it, if you would like to work with me on your personal breakup situation one-to-one, you can email me at thelovefix20@gmail.com and my details are in the description below. So, let's talk about improving your value. It goes without saying that just after a breakup or 6 months into a breakup, that your value seems to be pretty low, as in your perceived value seems to be pretty low because you've been dumped. The dumper has higher value because they dumped you, right? Just isn't true. So, my first tip, increase your value instantly. And this one is very obvious, no contact. Scarcity equals I want it even more syndrome. What happens when you want to buy the new iPhone or the new whatever and it's out of stock? You want it even more. But right now, guys, most of you have a very bad case of one-itis. They are the only one for me, right? Guys, there are 7.3 billion people out there and you'll find that it's almost impossible to not talk to one of them. The second you abandon the fallacy of a soulmate, or one-itis in this case, the second you're open to more options and possibilities of other potential partners. Having options or the perception that you do have options makes you sought after because there's social proof. After all, having other people attracted to you and wanting you makes you more desirable. Competition raises your perceived value. It's okay to still want your ex, I'm not trying to take that away from you, but do not ever let them know or think that you want them back unless they call you and say, I made a mistake, I want to talk, and I want you back. Number 2, no guilt. Never try to guilt your ex out of how they feel to get back with you. Too many times I've seen and heard sob stories from the dumpee to the dumper and it's not attractive. You want your ex to be attracted to you and to want you. You do not want them to feel obligated. Try having obligated sex with someone and see if they're eager to come back for round 2. Attraction is key here. They have to want you. Guilting them will only serve to push them away. So, my analogy, obligation versus attraction. Obligated sex or attraction sex? I know which one I would rather have, and I've done the obligated, it wasn't fun. Number 3, be the prize. They have to come and get you back. They left, they have to come back. Let them know through your actions that there are consequences to their decisions. Punish bad behavior, i.e. they left. You cancel all of their membership benefits with you. No more emotional support, no more driving them places or hanging out. If you do reconcile or get with someone else, have the mindset that you're the best they can do. If you are somehow portraying through your words, body language or actions that your ex can do better than you, they will start to believe that and they will likely lose attraction for you. Guys, I'm gonna be real with you. Look, I'm an average looking dude, but I walk with confidence, I poke fun at people, I'm intentional with what I say, and I walk away from situations that no longer suits me. This gets me way more attention from the opposite sex than being the average nice guy. I'm not saying being a dick or a bitch about it, simply have the confidence to say and think, I'm the prize, you have to win me back, or this situation no longer works for me, I'm walking away, and it's down to you to convince me to come back because I know my value, I know my worth, I know what I bring to the table, and there are 7.3 billion people out there. I can choose somebody else. Number 4. I don't know why I did the voice. I'm in a sassy mood today, guys. This one goes without saying, but improve how you look. If you're overweight, get your ass into the gym and start eating with intelligence. If you need to gain weight, put some muscle on, get your ass into the gym and start eating with intelligence. If you need a new hobby and you just want to feel better, get your ass into the gym and eat with intelligence. Guys, Some of you may say, oh, the gym is not for me. Okay, go and take a boxing class, a martial arts class, badminton, tennis, table tennis, football. Do something that is going to make you feel physically uncomfortable. Do something that's going to make you feel mentally uncomfortable, i.e. that you have to go into a new situation and socialize with people. Physical exercise will instantly make you feel better. You will start to look better. Your confidence will go up. Your value will go up. Now, I know some of you maybe listening to this will say, oh, well, it's about personality. It's not about looks. You've got a point to a degree, but guys, looks do matter. Okay? I'm not saying it's the most important thing, but it will work to your advantage. And as I said before, look, I'm an average looking guy. I'm no God's gift to women, but I keep myself in shape because it gives me confidence. It makes me feel better after I've exercised, and it does make me a little bit more attractive. It shows to people that you are investing in yourself, and the best way to get your ex back, or to even better get a new partner, is to invest in yourself. Number 5. Again, I don't know why I'm doing the voice. Can we be friends? Let me be very, very clear about this. Fuck no. This is classic Dumpee mentality. They will keep you around for emotional support so they can get over you easier. They start dating someone new and you're discarded. Your only response to "can we be friends" is "I only see you as a romantic option, therefore friendship will not work for me. Only contact me if you want to reconcile." Guys, there is no bigger display of strength by rejecting a lowball offer from the person that rejected you. Do not help them get over you by being their friend. The classic Dumpee mentality is, if I keep my ex in my orbit, if I show them how great I am and the changes that I'm willing to make, they will come back to me. Guys, this has the opposite effect. If anything, this further validates their position to dump you. This further validates their mindset of you are low value. This further validates their mindset of they are higher value and they can do better than you. So the best way to get them to chase you is to do everything that you feel like it's counterintuitive. Flipping the script. Displaying strength. At the very least, you will get their respect. Now, as always, I always say this in pretty much almost all of my videos, assume they will never come back. Even if they do not come back, you will certainly get their attention. And they will think twice regarding how they think of you and regarding the breakup. You will gain their respect because you handled the breakup like a gangster. So be the gangster, be the strong one. Do not play the role they have assigned to you. Do not play the role of the dumpee. Play the role of the person that has options. Play the role of the person that has confidence. Play the role of the person that says, I want you, but I don't need you. I want you, but I don't need you. It is so important. Yes, you had great memories. You had great times. It's a part of your life, but it's potentially over forever now. Again, 7.3 billion people out there. That's a lot of potential partners, regardless of your sexual preferences. That's all for today. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you for putting up with my sassiness. As always, I'll see you on the other side.